Hello, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more EMG content.
Inside this box is literally every cereal I know of. It's fun. We had a good time with Captain Crunch Berries. This is what I have a fucking problem with. Oops, all berries. What are you fucking kidding me? Oops, all berries? The berries are good, but this shit came out in 1997. Captain, you've had fucking 30 years to correct a mistake. Why is it still oops? This was no mistake, Captain. You know exactly what you did. The fuck? Available. French Toast Crunch. I ate the whole box. Wheaties? Look, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I've never fucking tasted Wheaties. But I know that these taste fucking disgusting. I'm not even gonna open the box. I fucking hate tennis. Like, dude, give me a... Oh, no. Is an E. Luckily, they have a chocolate version, aptly titled Chocolatey Delight. And you know, it's chock full of chocolate. But you open the box, and there's no fucking chocolate in it. The fuck is that? Grainberry? Grainberry with onyx sorghum? What the fuck? It's fucking gray! It's gray! The cereal is gray!